In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Salesforce data into Excel. This guide will walk you through the entire process in a straightforward and easy-to-understand manner. So, let's get started. First, make sure you're on your Salesforce homepage. This is the launchpad for everything you'll be doing today. From here, navigate to the Reports section. This area is pivotal because it houses all the data you might want to extract or analyze. Clicking on Reports will open up the menu you need to access. Once you have the Reports menu open, your next step is to click on All Reports. This is essential as it will provide you with a comprehensive list of all the reports you have at your disposal. Whether you're dealing with sales figures, customer feedback, or market analyses, this is where you'll find them. Now that you're in the All Reports section, it's time to choose the specific reports you want to export. This part of the process is crucial because you're defining exactly what data you'll be working with. Take your time here to ensure you're selecting the correct reports, as exporting irrelevant data could lead to confusion down the line. With your reports chosen, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Go ahead and click it. In this menu, you'll find the Export option. Selecting this is a major step forward, as it begins the process of transferring your data from Salesforce to Excel. Before exporting, you'll be presented with the option to choose an export view. Here, you can select either a formatted report or details only. The choice depends on how you plan to use your data afterwards. If you need the data for detailed analysis, you might prefer the details only option. However, if you want a cleaner, presentation-ready format, go for the formatted report. Finally, you'll need to make sure that the file format is set to Excel. This is essentially the end game. Your data will be exported in a format that's easy to work with in Excel, allowing you to perform any additional analysis or adjustments. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click on Export. And there you have it. Your Salesforce data is now successfully exported into an Excel file. This process is invaluable for generating reports that can be further manipulated or shared with others, enhancing your ability to make informed decisions based on real data. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you work with Salesforce and Excel, the more proficient you'll become. Thanks for watching, and happy data exporting.